Hi, in this example we're going to look at the number of permutations, or the different arrangements, the different ways in which you can mix up the letters of the word video. Okay, now video has 5 different letters. Okay, we're going to use them all. Okay, and no letter can be repeated. Okay, so we're going to use 5 letters. Okay, 5 letters, and we use all of them. Okay. Now, of course, if you want to, you can start writing them out in different orders and seeing and hoping that you get all the different arrangements. But there's a much quicker way to do it. There are 5 letters. We're going to use all of them. Now, because we're going to use 5 letters, we make 5 slots. The number of slots corresponds to the number of objects that you're going to use. Not necessarily to the number that are available, although in this case and in most cases it's the same, but it's the number of letters and objects that you're going to use. We're going to use 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're not told that there are any restrictions on them. We can put any letter in any position. So usually when that happens, you start off with the first position on the left. Okay, so we're going to try and figure out what should go into this position here, or at least how many choices we have. And you can use V, I, D, E, or O. That's 5 different choices. Okay, you can use any one of them. Use 5. Okay. Now, let's say, and you have complete freedom to choose something else, but let's say that for the sake of this argument, or for the sake of this example, that we used E. Okay, so we had 5 choices, but we use E. Okay. Now, cross out the E. Okay, we cross out the E because we've put it in there. For the next position, there are V, I, D, or O. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 different choices for that position. Okay, so there were 4 choices for that position. And let's say we put in, let's make it V. Okay, let's make it V. It doesn't matter which one you use. It's completely up to you, but you have to choose one. Now, for this position, there are I, D, or O. That is 3 choices. I, D, or O. So there are 3 choices for this position. So the number of choices are 3. Okay. And what one do you want to pick? Let's say we go for O here. Let's say we go for O. And then for the next position, we now have only 2 choices left, the I or the D. Okay. So there's 2 choices left. And you have to decide that you're going to use one of them. Let's make it D. Okay, let's say we put the D in there, so get rid of the D. And then we have only 1 choice left for the last slot. This is the last slot. There's only 1 choice left, so it's only 1 choice there. And it's the letter I that we're going to put in there in this case. Okay, now this shows you one of the possible combinations. That's just a single possible combination. But to find the total number, which is what we're interested in, you just multiply these all together. Okay, so that's what you do. You just figure out the number of letters or number of objects that you have for each slot one at a time, and then you multiply them all together. So that's 5 by 4 is 20, by 3 is 60, by 2 is 120, by 1 is 120. So there are 120 different ways in which you can mix up the letters of the word video. Okay, Evodai is just one of them, but there are lots of different combinations here. Evodai, video, D-I-E-O-V, Deov, and any. These are just 3, but there are going to be 120 different arrangements. Okay? Now, maybe you'll have to write them all out someday, but if you just want to know how many, this is all you need to do. 5 by 4 by 3 by 2 by 1. Okay? Thanks for watching.